welcome back to Big Ideas for Little Learners. I hope you're having loads of fun with Halloween in May. Did you notice I had a little costume change just for you? Well, today we're going to have a really fun nutrition activity. We're going to make bugs. And you can use whatever you have at home. You can ask a grown-up to help you slice all of your different food items, and I'll show you what I have. So over here on this plate, I have some rice cakes, some chocolate chips, some pretzel sticks, sliced bananas, some raisins. I have some sliced up pieces of cheese here. This is white cheddar. You can use whatever cheese you have at home. I even sliced some to look like butterfly wings. We'll use those in a little bit. And I have some sunflower seeds. I also have some cream cheese and some peanut butter. And on this plate, I have some cucumber slices. I sliced some of them in medallions, and then some of them I cut in half so we can make some wings out of these. I have some celery sticks. And just a hint, if you cut them and dry them, the cream cheese and the peanut butter will stick better inside. Some sliced strawberries and some strawberries that are just a half. Some sliced apples, kind of looks like a wing. And I cut up some carrot to make carrot sticks. I also have some blueberries. These kind of look like bug eyes. And I got some whole grapes and some half grapes. So we're going to make some bugs out of these. So I'm going to start with this rice cake, and I think I'll start this one with some cream cheese. I hope I don't break my rice cake too much. I'm going to spread my cream cheese around carefully, hopefully. Spreading it carefully. And since we have so many items to make a butterfly, I think I'm going to turn this one into a butterfly. So you can see I've spread my cream cheese around a little bit, and now everything that I put on here will stick to it. So I think I'm going to give my butterfly a carrot stick for a body, just like that, pushing it down gently. So there's the body of the butterfly. And I think I will give this butterfly some apple wings and some cucumber wings. So I'm going to put some apples on the bottom, and I'm kind of having them sort of stick up in the cream cheese. And then I'll put some cucumber slices in the top, just like that. Ooh, that's pretty. And then we need some antennae, so I think I'll use some pretzel sticks for antennae, but it looks like I might need a little more cream cheese. So you know what? I'm just gonna scoop some cream cheese on the pretzel stick like that and stick it right up on there. Oh, I broke it. That's all right. We'll just have a short antennae. We'll do the other one too. Scoop up some cream cheese on there and stick that on. Look at that. I made a beautiful fruity butterfly. I've got fruits, vegetables, cheese, and grains. This is a really healthy snack. Let's do another one. This time I'm going to start with a celery stick. And I'm going to put peanut butter in this one. Move the peanut butter closer so I don't spill it all over. And you're going to put some peanut butter down in the middle of the celery like that. It's gooey. You can use whatever kind of nut butter you have at home, or you could use more cream cheese. That's fine too. If you don't like nuts, or if you're allergic to nuts, you can use whatever you've got. And I think I'm going to make this one a traditional ants on a log. So I'm going to put some ants with my raisins. And just for fun, I'll put a couple chocolate chips too. I think I'll make a pattern. 2 raisins, 2 chocolate chips, 2 more raisins. There we go. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, set that guy aside. Now I'm going to do one with the cream cheese. So get some more cream cheese here. And we'll spread that into the middle. And again, if your celery sticks are dry, then it sticks better on the inside. There we go. This time, I think I'm going to add some strawberry wings. I'm going to put some strawberries here on the outside, some of these sliced up strawberries. Make another butterfly. Maybe this one's a dragonfly. Sticking together there. Oh, that smells good. And of course we need some more antennae. I think I'll do a couple of thin pieces of carrot for the antennae. There we go. I made a dragonfly. Doesn't that look delicious and pretty? And, oh no, my ants on a log fell over. Get back up there, you. There, we'll hold that up with that one. Let's do another bug on our rice cake. I think I'll spread this one with peanut butter. And I think on this one, I'm gonna make a banana and peanut butter caterpillar. So I'll spread this around. And well, the peanut butter spread much more easily than the cream cheese. It's softer. It's very, very gooey. And now I'll put some of these sliced bananas on there, and I'm going to make it look like a caterpillar going around the outside of the rice cake. And I'll do one more. I think I can fit one more there. And then I think I'll give him a little face with some blueberries. I'll put 2 big eyes right there. 1, 2. That looks pretty good, but I think it needs more decoration. I'm going to put some chocolate chips on top. I'll put a little chocolate chip on each one of these. This smells so yummy. Just like that. There's my little caterpillar. He looks like he's chasing his tail. So cute. And, oh, I wanted to show you how to make ladybugs with the chocolate chips and sliced strawberry. So this strawberry is just cut in half, and I'm going to switch my peanut butter and my cream cheese again, and we're going to put the dots onto the ladybug. So I'm going to take my chocolate chip upside down. I'm going to push it into the strawberry just like that. See, it made a dot like on a ladybug's back. Put another one on this side. And I think I can fit 2 more here on the other side. Oh, don't come out, little guys. The last one there. And that guy needs some antennae too. I think we'll put some pretzel sticks in there. That's pretty cute. So there's my little ladybug. Well, friends, I hope you have fun making your own fruit and vegetable and cream cheese and peanut butter bugs for snack. I'll see you next time. Happy Halloween in May.